Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the prisoner fish in Fish It game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that we need the prisoner fish to complete the prison break quest. I've already completed the quest and I got the retro police car. If you want to complete the prison break quest, you need to have or you need to catch the prisoner fish, and I'm going to show you where you can catch it. If you want to catch the fish guys, you can go to the classic island and go to the classic school. It's right here. Then you're going to fish here guys, and if you're lucky you will get the prisoner fish. Okay, it's from the classic school, and this is one of the mythic fish, 1 in 50k chance. Okay, you can fish here at this fishing area. Okay guys, and that's where you can catch the prisoner fish in Fish It game of Roblox to complete the prison break quest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.